What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. This is Everything Sharp channel. Today we just got some unboxings. These are not reviews, these are just boxings, first impressions, and hope everyone's having a good day. Got to get some of this stuff out there so you guys can see it instead of letting it sit. Alright, so the first thing we got, my wife ordered me a Nottingham Tactical. This is a very limited edition pen. I'll let you guys put that up there if you guys want to pause it and read it. This is a very special pen. This is Blade Show West pen. I think they only made so many. America's pen. This is my first Nottingham Tactical, so there it is. Certificate of authorship. It's a thank you for choosing. 100% made in US. Takes Parker refills. But this was a limited edition run, which I still don't know much about it because, like I said, it's just now come out of the box. Write your story with us. But we had tickets to Blade Show West this year and didn't get a chance to go. I went last year and This is a titanium pen, has machining, very nice machining around the bottom, kind of like swivel. We have a pocket clip. You got Nottingham Tactical, Blade Show West 2025. This is number 6 of 12, so they made 12 of these pens. So it's not it's not like a normal bolt action pen. You push down on the top, bring it back in. Stonewashed titanium, good pocket clip. I don't know how it writes. Let's see here. Yeah, fine writing. I don't even know what it cost. She didn't tell me, but I'm sure it was probably kind of expensive if it's only 6 of 12. So that's Nottingham Tactical, Parker style refills, raw stonewashed titanium, Blade Show exclusive pen. Kind of like the mechanism, so you push down, it comes out over here. It's kind of like a boat. Got the NT right there on the top. Got the Blade Show West 2025, 6 of 12. Nottingham Tactical titanium pen. I wonder, I just want to see if it'll take this refill, because this is what I use normally. Let's see here. How's it come apart? Right here. So let's see what kind of refills in it. So this is a Schmidt Easy Flow. Yeah, it's going to take this one. This one is a more fine point. As you can see, roller ball. It's more, the tip's more fine. So we'll put this one back in here, and we'll load this one up, and the spring. I'm gonna have to get me some more refills because I like writing with this style right here. So yeah, Nottingham Tactical. The little push button is kind of diamond gridded there. Very nice pocket clip. Nottingham Tactical. Exclusive pen. First time I ever owned an exclusive pen or a real quality pen. I got the Microtech and stuff like that, but I ain't never had nothing like that. This next one's coming from Amazon. This is the Next Torch TA20. It's a max output of 1,000 lumens. Has multi-use mode. Included FR1 tactical ring. We have 1,000 lumens high. We have 24 lumens low. We have 11,028 candela. On low it's 228. It is 2 meters underwater. and the throw is 210 meters. It is 2 meters drop. This has been my go-to light now for ever since it's come in. This is the Nextorch TA70. It has a rotary dial, has a lock there. You have a duty, low, medium, high. Then you have a tack mode where it goes into turbo, and if you full push it goes into strobe. Very good quality lights for the money. Very good quality lights. Excellent pocket clip. Really like this design. You have 3 emitters. You have the ceramic glass beacon braids, ceramic glass breaking beads in the front, and then you have this tactical ring if you gotta thump something with it there. Very good lights. So I'm anxious to see what this one is. I ordered this one. This is the TA20. They make a bigger version. Yeah, this is cool. So, aluminum housing body. You have a rotary dial on the front. You have a lock. You have the ceramic glass breaking beads. It has an orange peel reflector in it. I don't really care for that. I'd rather it be smooth. And on tack, that's all she's got right there. Full press for strobe, duty. You go high, medium, low, and then you got your lock there. Very comfortable in the hand. Once again, you got a ring there, grabbable ring. I don't know how that would work in the pocket because the ring is higher than the pocket clip. Kind of reminds me of the Workos TD07. Kind of same style light. This was supposed to have a tack ring with it. It did not come from Amazon, so I just kept it. But it's kind of the same style light, same head. The Nextorch is a little bit smaller, but same concept, except this one rose back here. I believe they sent me a used one because it definitely doesn't work back here in the back very good. Right off the bat, I can tell this Nextorch is much better quality, much better finish. This has the cheap, just shiny black. This has the matte black finish. Whole lot better quality in these lights. You can see it's kind of got a bright spot and a surrounding flood, where the Workos has a really concentrated center, where this one's kind of got a bigger hot spot. And the Workos is brighter, but it has more lumens and more throw, of course. So that is the Nextorch TA20. I've got a SIG flashlight coming in. I can't wait to get it in. It's got like 30,000 candela in a small size, and I can't wait for that one. But this one, it's going to be hard to beat this light. For one, super flat. I think it has 3,500 to 4,000 lumens. Super flat, super easy to carry. No more rubber on the plug, where I think you got to take the battery out of this one to charge it up. This one has a USB-C there. And this is just all around good light. You know, the size is perfect. It feels good in hand. Just simple functions, no gimmicks, no UV, I don't need that. No laser, I don't need that. I just need on and off, and super bright. And I don't want, also want a light, my EDC light, I don't want it to overpower me when I'm up close looking at something and blind me. This light, this Nextorch TA70, has done everything I've asked it to do, and it's done it well. So this is highly recommendable. We may put this in the pocket this weekend and see how we like it. Off the bat, I like the feel, I like the switch. I wish it had a little bit more power, but you can't have it all. That is the Nextorch TA20, guys. Set it to the side. Oh, it comes with a Type-C charging cord, a lanyard, and a book there. That ring does come off if that doesn't tickle your fancy. It does come off, so We got 2 of the 3 out of the way. Alright, this next one is the budget version of the Tri-Stash. And this comes from, I bought this off Blade Binge. I didn't get in on a premium one. I didn't know if I would like it. Blade Binge, that's highly recommendable too, guys. You guys get on there, check them out. They have Grail, USA, only USA made, EDC gear. And if you have a problem, they will straighten it out, because I had a problem. I bought a limited edition Kershaw Iridium when they first came out with the carbon fiber and M390. After I paid the guy, he decided he didn't want to sell it and wouldn't refund the money, so I contacted them. They got the money back immediately. Blade Binge, Tri-Stash V2. Asked me about my knife problem, and this one is the full piss. R. Kelly Golden Shower. So this is Bestech made, I believe. I went with Ultem. This is my first knife that will be an Ultem. Come with a microfiber clean cloth, all those stickers, and then we got the knife. So this is a more budget oriented model here. Let's see if I can get all this stuff back down here. I don't know if that'll fit. That's probably why they put it in the box. That's right, it don't fit. So this is the more budget oriented model. Tri-Stash Blade Binge. So we have flat Ultem scales, which are pretty cool. This is the first knife in Ultem that I own. So this is a liner lock. It does have inset liners. Looks like we have T8 screws maybe all the way around. Oh, is that T8 or T10? So we have T8 Torx all the way around, except for the filler tab on the pocket is a T6, and we have T6s on the pocket clip. That's the way to do a pocket clip, guys. Inset with flat screws. You have some machining on the Ultem, makes it grippy. Really cool pivot there with the man's mustache on it. Geared back spacer about 7/8, 3/4 all the way up. And look at that. You got to be brave to hit that, guys. They've cut a track in the back spacer, and that knife lines up perfect with it. So you have 2 means of deployment here. You have a window. Yeah, it's nice. Good access to the lock bar. And then you have the flipper, front flipper. So they chamfered the lock bar a little bit. That's how you do the jimping on the, you know this knife's going to be good because it's a knife guy that designed it. You have good jimping on the back of the blade. Front flipper works good. Uh-oh. It works good. Reach over's probably going, oh, I can't get it. Reach over, get that finger out of the way, works good. Acoustics. So what we have is a sheep's foot blade here. Kind of got a little bit of poon action. You have a deep hollow grind, about half of the blade stock up. You have this window. You have a long row of functional jimping down to 2 swedges to that. That's how thin it is behind the edge. This is going to be a slicer. And if I'm not mistaken, let's see if I can find it. I don't think it's on here, but I believe this is in 154 cm blade steel. It doesn't say. Minimal, very minimal billboarding. Nothing on it but on the pivot. I like that too. You have that forward finger choil. You're locked in, going to control it. This knife's going to be good at utility cuts, precision cuts. any kind of cut where that tip's facing down is going to be good. You don't have any belly, you have a long straight, you know. Can you get, let's see, yeah, you can use that whole blade on the, if you're in a pinch grip, you can use that whole blade on a flat surface. We have a belt satin on the hollow and a horizontal satin on the flats, and then we have a vertical satin once again on the swedges. Really good looking knife. Like I said, my first time with Ultem. I like to be able to see through it and see what's going on. I really don't care for yellow. Yellow's not my color, but yeah, it's pretty neat. Feels really good in hand. Reverse grip feels good. Yeah, it's gonna be a banger. It's super lightweight. Let's do some size comparisons just so you guys get an idea. It is bigger than the Bug Out Paramilitary 3. A little bit bigger than the Paramilitary 3. Let's see. Jack Wolf Scuffle. Those two are about identical. It's about the same size as the Jack Wolf Scuffle. A little bit bigger than the Paramilitary 3. A little bit bigger than the Bug Out. Let's go ahead and give y'all some overall dimensions on it and weight. So for cutting edge, you're right at about 2 15/16, 3 inches. Overall, you're at 8 inches long. Carry profile, little bit thicker than the Spyderco Paramilitary 3, guys. This is a good one. I like it. It's dialed in, falls down to the nail, then shut. Front flipper works good with the thumb. I really don't care for front flippers, guys. Let me know what y'all think about them in the comment. Do y'all like thumb studs, window holes, back flipper, front flipper, automatic, button lock, crossbar? What's y'all's favorite locking mechanism and deployment? I really don't care for a front flipper. It just feels awkward to me. You know, some of them are very comfortable with the pointer finger. This one's very good for the pointer finger. It rolls on out there. Me, I really didn't like a flipper tab on the back, but this Scuffle, I guess you just got to find one that's got really good action on it. And I don't like them minimal flipper tab. I like a minimal flipper tab. Let's see, what is the name of the company? Shoot, I can see it in my mind. Hang on. Let's see. Vero. That's the one I was trying to come up with. This flipper tab is perfect. It rockets it out. You get plenty of leverage. This is a beautiful knife. Deluxe. Super deep hollow grind. But this flipper tab works phenomenal. You get plenty of leverage, plenty of action. It's a front flipper as well, but there it goes. The front flipper is not as good as the back flipper, but the back flipper fires that thing out there. That's the flipper tab I like. Not really a fan on front flippers. If I got them, I really don't use them that much. I'd rather do the window or the thumb flick. Detent. This does have a detent ball in it. The detent is kind of, I don't want to say weak, I would say medium-ish. But the knife is excellent. I really like the knife. Let's weigh it and we'll get you guys out of here. I didn't mean for this video to be this long. 20 minutes. It's a little bit too long. Alright. 4.1 ounces. So for Ultem stainless steel liners, 154 cm. Really cool knife. Really cool character that designed it. You know it's going to be a good cutter, good slicer. Everything about it I like. The jimping's good. Sharpening, choil, and plunge grind's perfect right there. The liners are inset. The pocket clip is inset with flat screws, and you got a back spacer to keep some of that debris out of the bearings. This one does run on bearings, and this is the Tri-Stash V2, and this is Everything Sharp. Thank y'all for stopping by. Stay safe, stay sharp. Till the next one.